Today is a very rainy day, our first day of rain since the kiddos have been here, but it feels real nice. It's only about 70, feels like 70 degrees, so I thought I'd show you their improved walk. So hope you can see it from here. We've got them both on lead and ready to go. Let's go, guys. As you can see, a nice leisurely walk. Sit with two dogs, and we are enjoying the cool weather. And the rain's gonna make your dog a little stinky, but don't worry, we'll give him a bath before we send it back to you. So there's their awesome walk. We also taken them up to Home Depot, and they do really well walking around there, greeting people calmly, so they should be in good shape for you to take them out. So nice job. If he does any mouthing, there is no petting on mouthing. When he sits and he's good and quiet, then he gets a good pet. Yes, you do. Yes, you do get a good pet. All right, we're gonna finish our walk. We'll see you later.